Please press that like and subscribe button. As of right now, I'm just pinning down the closures with T-pin. That'll keep the closure secure as I'm sewing it down to the cap. After pinning it down, you want to go ahead and just braid it up to the front. Okay, I slowed it down in slow motion just to show you how I wrap the thread around the needle 3 times and then I pull it through slowly, making sure that it is a nice and neat knot. How often you want to go ahead and make this knot is really up to you. I personally do it regularly, once or twice, and then I go ahead and do the knot. Okay, so this is the finished look. I completed the sides, the back. It is complete as far as the sewing. Okay, this is the last bundle. This is the 18-inch. It is so soft. It's so curly. I love the way that it feels. She is officially done, but I'm gonna go ahead and bleach this closure just to get that natural look. I'm going to achieve this look by using the 30 volume developer and a BW powder and a bowl. I'm starting off with the powder in a bowl, and then I'm going to be pouring the developer into the powder just enough to have it a thick consistency. As you can see, I start from the back first when I'm applying the solution, just in case the back will be done quicker than the front. So I start from the back first, working my way up into the front. And make sure you let this sit for at least 20 to 25 minutes. After washing it out, this is what it came out to be. The knots are bleached, and the hair is looking really good. Now I'm going to be curling the hair. Okay, now that I'm all done, I'm gonna go ahead and flatten the top out with a hot comb. Therefore, I get a flat look when I install the wig. I didn't have a chance to record how I did the baby hair due to the fact of my camera dying on me. But as you can see from the video, I just start taking small pieces out from the hair. Please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. You already know I'll be back with a new one real soon. You can go ahead and just hit me up with an email, and I'm quick to reply. Thank you so much for looking at my video. I hope you guys learned something, and I will be seeing you soon.